The HGTV Dream Home 2019 is packed with innovative and inspirational design in some of the hardest working rooms in the house, the kitchen and the bathrooms. In the master bathroom, a gorgeous wet room encloses a 2-person shower and freestanding sculptural tub, featuring products by Delta Faucet. A wet room is basically a fully enclosed, water-sealed space where you can have your bath and shower space all in one area. The dual showers are super powerful. There's a total of 8 body sprays for a truly luxurious experience. If baths are more your thing, this deep soaking tub features a beautiful chrome tub filler that matches everything else in here. Reclaimed wood planks on the ceiling add a lot of rustic texture. This is paired with a pine green inspired wall color, giving just the right contrast to all the modern features in the space. Throughout the house, I wanted to add touches of luxury anywhere I could. In the guest bathroom, a rain shower head and hand shower with 5 settings is a welcome amenity for guests after a long day on the slopes. And in the kitchen, there are 2 sinks, a deep sink for everyday use and a smaller prep sink, perfect for entertaining. Both feature sleek faucets by Delta. Whether you're replacing a faucet or redesigning a room, you can take inspiration from these ideas for your own home.